My name is Marco and I have some great books to share with you. Today we have 3 books, like always. And this one's called Mrs. Harkness and the Panda. And it's a good book because Mrs. Harkness found a real baby panda. And she was the first one to take it back to the NC States.
United States.
United States. It's really good. And you should get it.
Okay, what's next?
It is
Okay.
Mrs. Ladybird's Wildflowers.
Very good.
It's really good because guess what? They got married on a boat with flowers on it. A whole flower thing like this.
Oh, wow.
It's really good. And it's really good.
Okay. And what's the last one?
This is a really good one, and it's called What to Do About Alice.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I didn't like it. I loved it, and I loved this the whole book. And guess what? They slid down the stairs on sledding boards.
In the White House.
Yeah.
All right. Is that it for today? We're going to go get some new books now.
Yeah. Bye.